Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Navigate your website's analytics landscape. Learn the ins and outs of integrating Google Analytics with WordPress. Uncover valuable insights into user behavior, traffic patterns, and content performance to refine your strategy and elevate your online presence. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So the first thing guys that I will be needing you to do is to simply head up to your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I am now on my dashboard that is basically on a localhost that I have created on my PC. So normally to add Google Analytics or any kind of analytics to WordPress or any other thing to your WordPress website, that should be using the plugins section. So what we're gonna do, go to the left side menu as you can see here and click into plugins and click on add new plugin. This is what you have to do as first step. Now for the second step, which is basically adding the plugin itself, you have two ways. The first way, which is basically by uploading it, you can search for Google Analytics for WordPress, and basically here they will show you this plugin, which is GA Google Analytics. You can simply download it, and here it is. It's going to be in here, so you can simply go ahead and choose the file, upload it, and install it right here, and it should be installed very easily without any problems. Same thing goes for the other method, so let's save time by copying the name of this plugin, search for it right here as you can see, and it should be appearing right here, which is in our case is going to be named you can either go for GA Google Analytics to be more specific, or you can go for this Sitekit by Google, which has everything from analytics, Google AdSense, speed, search console, and more. So let's install both and we can talk about them, both of them in this video. So let's wait for the other one to be installed. Here it goes, and here it is. So now after we've done with this step, let's go here into the plugins criteria. Let me just remove everything that we not need right now. Alright, let's keep this only these two, and let me just remove every other thing so we can have a clear vision about our yeah, here it goes. Let me just remove everything, and now let's only activate these two. Activate, and here we go. So now we have them both activated. As you can see, we have GA Google Analytics and Sitekit by Google. So here, as you can see, for Sitekit by Google, if we refresh the page, it's gonna be appearing right here under the dashboard icon, so you can click on it and it will take you to the other dashboard. Now basically you just have to connect to your accounts on Google. So here, as you can see, connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup. Check this out, because we need to add analytics in this video, so we need analytics, and sign in with Google. As you can see, the request to the integration proxy has failed. This is only because I am using it on basically like a local host. That's why they didn't allow me to actually sign in with Google. But in general guys, for you, they will take you to Google. You have to give them the permission. Of course, they will show you all your Gmail accounts, choose the one that you are going to be using, and after that they will take you to your Google Analytics. They will check if you do have some Google Analytics account created. If you do not have one, you should create one. Very easy, simply just by the fact that you own a Google account. Having an analytics account is pretty much easier. So just go here, open a new tab, search for Google Analytics. Here we go. Let's remove this and simply just click on, for example, this one, and as you can see, they will take you here, and simply all you need to do is to create an account. So getting started with analytics for Firebase or more about, so depending on what you want, you can go for even for Google Analytics demo accounts, help center. So there's a lot of things to go for. This is the academy basically to learn about it, but yeah, here you can find other website that will log you in directly to your Google Analytics. As you can see, I have one already, so they have taken me directly to my website. Now, what are the benefits of actually having Google Analytics linked to your WordPress website? Well, there is a lot of benefits. As you can see here, use a lot of details that you can check to improve your own website and presence, to know more about your presence and traffic that are coming to your website, so you can actually orientate and adjust with the clients or the traffic that's coming. For example, here as you can see, there will be the amount of users and sessions, bounce rate, and session durations that's going to be on your website for a period of time that you can actually choose. The period of time varies as long as you want, so it starts from only 1 day, yesterday, 7 days, last 14, 28 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, last 180 days, and last calendar year. So here you can view like an overview of your audience that's going to be very specific. It starts by the users, how many users you are getting, the sessions, number of sessions per user, page views, how many pages are they actually looking for, the average duration per session, and the bounce rate. Also here you can find even more details, for example like demographics, so you can find the language that these users are actually using in their phones or devices. You can find even from which country they have visited your website, and even more specifically which city they have visited your website from. You can also know which system, for example browser, operation system, and service provider. Even for mobiles you can know which operation system they are using, service provider, and the screen resolution. And you can even, as you can see here, go through all of this to help you out in your website analytics. So you can have all these informations for free using Google Analytics. So it's going to be helping you a lot, specifically if you know how to adjust your website. If you are only going to look to these numbers that's going to be shown in here and do nothing about it, well, that's going to be useless for you. Well, what I will highly recommend you to do is to have an academy, which is basically this websites here, to go to this academy, which will explain how to do the analytics for beginners, the advanced Google Analytics, Google Analytics for power users, and everything with Google Analytics, and how to start using the data that you are going to get to boost your website, to advance your website, and to develop the way you are making your website, so you can like make it higher in the search engine, boost the traffic, and choose the ads, so you can have more ads in specific pages. For example, here as you can see, you can even know which page are they going for. So using that information, you can put a lot of ads in that page and start making more money using that. So this is a very interesting idea to put in mind in case you are going to use Google Analytics. And with that being said, guys, that was it for today's video. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I read all of your comments one by one, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe, guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.